guys, so quick update what's going on during the weekend. I don't do that much because I just have one day, but I measure what I need to cut from my steel plate. I make a plan and I cut a few things here, actually this first part and some other stuff from here. So what I'm gonna do now, the car is outside, I cannot have it inside during the week like I said. So tomorrow I'm gonna bring my plate and I mark it what should be cut and where and how it should be bent. So I hope I will get it nicely done. And then I need to prepare this frame to welding, and I also gonna try to make new of those. Actually I'm gonna ask this company that they're gonna bend it for me. They're gonna bend for me frame, but maybe they can make like this for me also. So that's what I'm gonna do actually. I'm gonna send this metal plate tomorrow, so I hope I'm gonna have it to the end of the week. And I order welding machine, so I'm gonna have welding machine also probably on Tuesday. So I'm gonna start welding soon. Of course I'm trying now to clean a little bit when the body is still on. It's not going so well, and I'm not gonna get this all rust out, but I will try as much as I can. And the most important surface for me is on the top actually, because my plan is that my new frame gonna be bended, like it's gonna be U-shape, so I'm gonna need to weld it here to this side, and then I need to weld to this side, and then I'm gonna weld on the top plate all the way. That's my plan. We'll see what's gonna be when I'm gonna start welding. Probably something could change, but that's the plan for now. Yeah. Rama wentylowana, ventilation for the frame. Oh. Hop. Hop.
Nie mogę kłócać.
Oh yeah. Tak się właśnie. That's how you demonter your mounting for a fuel tank. With force. Be safe, guys. Okay guys, small update what I've done today. So I bent one of the piece that I need for a frame. So let's say that's gonna be here. And I think recently I was saying that I have some company that they're gonna do it for me, but they tell me that I need to wait around 3 weeks in line so they can start doing some job. So I don't have that much time to wait, so I just did it myself. So I changed plan because I was thinking that it's gonna be just bended, so I don't need to weld this, but I need to cut it, so I'm gonna weld it all around here. So later I will cut these spaces to fit nicely from under. So now I'm gonna try to make another one, and then I need a piece here in the back. So I cut, I don't know if you see that, that was like a down, it was goes downs and like all the way here through 3 sides. It was like U shape, so I cut it here because it was all the way rusty. I don't know if you see that here, or maybe like that. So it's all the way rusted. This pipe here and this cover, that was, I think it was someone already make it to make it stronger, so someone mounted here. So I just gonna leave this one on the top, cut this sheet from inside, and make one like this here also to fix the back. So yeah, and I cut a small piece there actually, before it was something more there, so not so much that it's keeping this together now. So when I'm gonna take the car outside, I think I need to just push it or just put something here, because this is not strong anymore. Like, it was not strong before that much, but now it's much less stronger. So, and I have also my welding machine. I think I make some small video, but I'm gonna just show you later when I'm gonna start welding, like later. That's gonna be tomorrow probably. But for now I'm gonna cut another piece here and maybe prepare a piece for here, so then I can like cut the spaces here, like these shapes, to fit perfectly. For now I just need 3 to finish with that, and with bending, because that's not also easy. I don't want to cut it all the way, so I just cut like halfway and then I bend it still myself. So I use many different tricks to do that, but you're gonna see that. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So 2 pieces of frame are prepared. Now we're gonna make this one here in the back, because it's fucked up. Then we're gonna start cutting more. Okay guys, new frame gonna be soon. Okay guys, it's gonna be first try. I cut my frame, and we're gonna see what I've cut, what I've done. Okay. Hi guys, so today I'm outside, so that's the last metal that I need to shape for a frame. So I'm cutting, bending, so soon it's gonna fit. Then we're gonna start welding. That's why it's good that I'm outside. Yep, that's how it looks like. This part gonna go in the back here, but I'm gonna try to make like some wings that are gonna be also welded to this side, so I hope it's gonna be nice. Today I start welding a little bit. For now I just put some piece of metal here to make this stronger, because that's the worst place. And now I'm gonna try to mount this part here, because that's the first part is here, and then left and right side. So we're gonna see how it's gonna fit. Okay guys, so I weld a little bit. So these points here and here I need to weld good all around. This here for now just in few places, and now I need to cut here, because there's gonna be a piece that's gonna weld. I'm gonna weld around here, and the rest is gonna be bended, all those pieces of material. So let's get to it. That's it for today. I'm happy because I started welding finally. So it's not perfect, but I need to learn first. But let's keep together. So I will try tomorrow after work to finish this one, so then I can mount the sides. So yesterday I picked up some of my parts, and that's interesting because that's all the rubber going between the frame and the body. That's full set to my car, and the best place to find it was AliExpress. It's cost me, in total it's cost me $180, but that's because I want faster delivery, because normal one was like around 1 month plus, so I want it faster. Probably I don't need to do that because still gonna repair it for some time, but I was thinking that it's gonna be faster. So basically the price for the parts is around $70, so so the rest is just delivery. But the interesting is that there's all parts, like with bolts and everything. Because when I want to order from some other sites, you can buy just one piece, just rubber, maybe with this metal pipe that is going inside, but without bolts, and everyone was separately. So the price was pretty high when you order 12 pieces and then buy extra bolts. So they look pretty good, in my opinion. So that's going together with this. Oh, this fits one to another. Yeah, so it's gonna be interesting to see it on the car. Okay, so now that's interesting. There is 11 of sets like this, and basically parts like this, and there's just one like this. So now there's a question if they made it by mistake, they put one different. Basically the height it looks the same, but why it's like a different shape here. Maybe there's a one that there's something on the side, I don't know, that does not fit regular shape. That's why one need to be different. I don't know. Okay, hi guys, so my equipment for welding arrived. So that's this wire for welding, that's probably mask, and that's a welding machine. So I'm just gonna open it now and we'll see how it looks like. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna weld something.